ఒకసారి
హలో అర్జు प्लीज कम बिल्कुल बढ़िया बिल्कुल बढ़िया आइए सर आइए आइए
अच्छा करने वाह 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 वाह
उन्हें देखो ना आप उधर देख रहे हैं
आपका आदेश था पालन
पढ़ाई की टेंशन लग रहा है भाभी सामने से मैं पीछे जा रही
वो
पुरानी
आपने
मेमोरीज
चिल्लाते हो जाने से
आप जब तक बैठेंगे नहीं तब तक नहीं आऊँगा
अरे नहीं बैठे ओके मैं सोच रहा था
mingle with the people. You know, most of the people I thought.
मैं तो गाने का आपके गाने का
कहाँ पर है? वायर रूम
हाँ जी अब और क्या होगा पर भाई जी मैं
ये सविता है के साथ कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंट ये शर्मा जी पहचान गए बहुत सारे
कम ही है सर Father,
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have a jubilee? As I go ahead with the program for today, it is indeed my honor and privilege to request distinguished dignitaries join us on the stage. A very good evening. Satish sir, please come forward and welcome Mr. Francis Arikal. Can we have a huge round of applause, music as we all celebrate this moment. Welcome sir. I now request Shri R.C. Grover, sir, please come forward and welcome Shri K. Karunakaran, sir. A huge round of applause. Welcome. Glad to have you on, sir. And I now request Grover, sir, to welcome Shri K. N. Karunakaran. Sir, very good evening. Namaskar. Welcome. wonderful moment. And yes, all great things in life begin by the light. Today, as we celebrate our Silver Jubilee celebration, we'll be having the celebration. We now light the last. Once again, a huge round of applause, big round of applause. Congratulations to Talia to Bansi and Zordar. Seated after the lighting of the lamp. Thank you so much, sir. So let's join our hands together as we have the first sequence, Ganesh Vandana. Kuch taaliyan ho sakti hain, huge round of applause to welcome our performers.
रिद्धि सिद्धि वृद्धि होती हाँ तेरे ही आने से मेरा चेहरा देखो हमारा चेहरा देखो तुझने ना करके तुझने ना देखा.
About our CMD, Pressline India, Shri Satish Bajwa ji. A huge round of applause as well as Silver Jubilee. Over to sir, Mr. Bajwa, please.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I thank each and everyone whosoever has taken time during this session of lot of marriages around, a lot of traffic. So much thank you. Thank you very much. It is indeed a great pleasure to have all of you today when the Hyderabad we are celebrating our 25th year, that is Silver Jubilee. At this special occasion, I feel honored to have August gathering of printing and packaging industry. My very special welcome to Father Francis Edical, Managing Director of Vyani, Kochi, Mr. Kurias, Mr. Karunakaran, Vice President, New Indian Express, Mr. B.K. Sharma, Joint Director, Mr. P.S. Khurana, President, IPAMA, and my other friends and colleagues from IPAMA. 25 years, just, it is a feeling that it was just yesterday. I remember when we started our career, it was just one table with manual typewriter. I remember Mr. Shyam Agarwal. He was also along with me, just in front, my friend, total neighbor, who initiated the things, who encouraged, and we started all together in the same year. I am extremely thankful to him to give all that encouragement. The another important thing was the 11 years which I had spent in a very reputed organization who were making similar kind of machine, where we basically did the reverse engineering and introduced first machine in Indian markets. Today, the same machine is being manufactured by several manufacturers. We are just one of them. But we just always try that we should stand apart from what is being manufactured all around here in India. India is having surprisingly 70% share of world market where single circumference, single weight machines are being manufactured. So that is the only segment in printing segment where India is having edge over China or other countries. Before that 11 years which I was talking about, I would like to remember my previous organization where Mr. K.D. Kohli, under Mr. K.D. Kohli I had worked for 11 years. And that closeness and the guidance and the spirit I got from that gentleman, I will never forget in my life. The basic thing where we kept on working was the innovation, the regular, constant and consistent innovation. We kept on doing the basic machines which we did originally, the reverse engineering. And initially, almost 15 years back, we developed our Prima version, which was basically an edge for us to proceed in the international markets. And today we have almost every major continents of world, they are having our machinery, including Russia, USA, Latin America, Argentina, Brazil, in Asian countries like Indonesia, Malaysia, Bangladesh, and even some Ukraine, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, and several other countries. The support from local market has also been excellent. Today we have with us very reputed newspapers where we have supplied a lot of machines like Amar Ujala, Pioneer. My friend from Pioneer is here, Mr. Vijay Singh, and they are planning more, I think, several other machines. Then Pioneer and Dainik Bhaskar, New Indian Express, Samyukta Karnataka, and many other reputed newspapers of India. Initially, the usage of machinery was just for newspapers. When we introduced these machines in India, originally, it was just meant for newspaper, but slowly it geared up for printing books also. And for books, initially, there was a few machines like MBD or JBD, people like them installed the machine, but now there are a lot of reputed book printers who are using these machines. The major ones are like Wipro, Navneet. Navneet is having many, almost they purchased 11 or 12 machines for Ahmedabad to produce books. S. Chand and Company, and many more. During this quarter century, I experienced, and I would like to share with our young generation, that constant and consistent vigil on market requirements and matching our manufacturing activity with the market always gives edge to how to proceed in the market. Because these days, market is not that easy. Market is very tough. And for this tough market, constant and consistent development is very important. So my advice to our young generation is that whatever you do, whenever you do, whatever you decide to do, basically you should focus on constant and consistent development in the products you are manufacturing. My friends, I stand before you with my heartfelt gratitude to fraternity, which stood in support of us and made it possible thus for us to realize the dream and see colorful victory at the end of rainbow. Thank you very much for being with us for all these 25 years, and from here onward we expect that next journey of 25 years starts. Thank you very much.
Once again, many congratulations, and I request sir to invite on the dignitaries who will be joining us for raising the toast. Grover sir, please come forward. Once again, welcome to all our guests, and at the top we'll be having the toast raising ceremony. We have the Silver Jubilee celebration at Press Line India. Can we also have some music as we go ahead with the celebration?
Hello. I think everybody, most of my friends over here know that I normally do not take this alcohol. But just to have your attention that let us have a good start or kick start the company of this drink.
Once again, a big round of applause.
Just have a sip for our.
Right. Bhagwan sir, we can do one thing. Everyone please put your one hand up in the air, and let's say loudly cheers. 1, 2, 3.
I am taking a sip for you.
Amazing. History being created, present reinvented. How do you put it?
This kind of normally activity you must not have seen, I think. So this is basically the suggestion of our daughter, Richa Grover. If she is somewhere here, I would like to ask her to come on the stage. And also I would like my better half,
Please,
my best half, to please come. And Mrs. Grover and our children, Ashish,
Tanya, once again, then a huge round of applause.
Rashid Grover, please.
So
Rachit, today history has been created, as you just saw the toast. Once again, थोड़ी सी तालियां बनती हैं, huge round of applause for the family. They all have been there.
Okay, thank you very much. Please have a kickstart up to your come. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Satish sir. Once again, बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं.
चलिए एक और बेहतरीन डांस परफॉर्मेंस presenting to you the journey of Indian cinema. Pressline India celebrating the Silver Jubilee. Right now, a journey, glimpse, all for you as we present to you the wonderful, the magnanimous audio visual clip. So please join us. Thank you for your support once again, Shri Diwali Lal. Upload you, so you can upload. Francis sir. Once again, congratulations. Once again, Vinod ji, if you're there, please आइए, please ask Vinod, आइए. As we go ahead, we will be having the moment. Savita ji, please join us. I can see you there. Please come forward. K. Karunakaran, Vice President Indian Express Chennai. Karunakaran sir, please join us and do the honors now. Mr. Joginder Kumar for the memento. Joginder sir, please come forward. Talia, huge round of applause. Dev sir, please come forward. Congratulations. Ajay sir, please come forward. We'd like to give the memento. That's Zordar. Many thanks, sir. I now call on Shri V.K. Sharma. I first have the memento for Amit Sharma. Thank you. Thank you. J.M. Bajwa. Once again, Shri J.M. Bajwa, please come forward. Once again, I request Mr. D.B. Singh to collect the memento on behalf of Mr. G.S. Balia. Many congratulations. Thank you for doing the honors. Thank you very much. Everyone, a standing ovation for Press 9 India. A standing ovation for Press 9 India.
Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Who would believe that I can be happy and
Congratulations. Many celebrations. Talia opening the Zordar.
When I let you walk into my heart.
Woohoo! Congratulations.
Congratulations and celebrations when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations.
I request everyone to be seated. Thank you for the support, everyone. Please be seated.
I'm happy as can be. I was a
तालियां जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. And so some mementos to be done, and we go ahead with that. Once again, I request Khurana sir, please be there with us. We have the memento for Kanan Shri. A big round of applause. Big round of applause. Ashu ji, if you're there, please come forward. Ashu Gupta. N.S. Manku ji, President Imraja Nivama. Shri N.S. Manku ji. Madam Anita Arora. Call on Shri K.R. Chandrahas. IC. Sir, please come forward. Please join us. Sir, please. Good evening. Welcome. We now have the memento for Mr. Deepak Dhal. And yes, as we call on the very special, can we also have a bouquet, a very special bouquet for Dr. Suvarna Kumari from Tenali. तालियां तो बनती हैं, huge round of applause.
25 years, not a small journey. So, you have seen all on the screen, the hard work they have done, the industry, equipment, all the hard work. I request our most senior member present here, Mr. H.V. Seth, to please present this moment to Mr. Bajwa and Mr. Barone.
तालियां हो जाए, जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Great job, great people, great task, great journey. I request all the dignitaries to be seated. Bajwa sir, बहुत शुभकामनाएं, जोर से congratulations. Khurana sir, but right now, let's enjoy the dance performance.
Thank you.
the birthday. तालियां हो सकती है जोरदार. Come on, a big round of applause. Many thanks sir for doing all the honor.
I request everyone, please join us for dinner, the food, the music.
दिए जलते हैं, फूल खिलते हैं, बड़ी मुश्किल से मगर दुनिया में तो मिलते हैं, दिए जलते हैं। आती है सच कहता हूँ सारी दुनिया दुश्मन हो जाती है, उम्र भर दोस्त लेकिन साथ चलते हैं, हाँ जी हाँ दिए जलते हैं, फूल खिलते हैं, बड़ी मुश्किल से मगर दुनिया में तो मिलते हैं। Very good. Very good.
मैं क्या डांस देख के क्या होगा?
नहीं
बचपन तो
ਕਰਾਂਦਾ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਲਥਾਰਜਿਕ
ਮਹਾਂ ਸੁਸਤ ਬੰਦਾ ਹੈ।
ਇੱਕ ਲੱਤ ਇਹਦੀ ਬਿਸਤਰੇ ਤੇ ਤੇ ਦੂਜੀ ਲੱਤ ਥੱਲੇ ਲਟਕੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੀ
ਫਿਰ ਚੁੱਕ ਦੀ ਲੱਤ ਉੱਤੇ ਕਰੀ ਦੀ ਚਾਚੀ ਨੇ ਸਾਰੀ ਸਟੇਜ ਦੇਖੀ ਹੈ ਆਪਾਂ ਦੇ ਚਾਚੀ ਜੋ ਚਾਚੀ ਜੀ
आपकी नहीं करा प्लीज
मेरे को लग रहा था कि एक शायद